Hi, this is Esther, the Trucking Scribe. Today I'm going to do a flip through of this Daffodil Fairy Journal from a kit that Emma Parrish has for a folio. I actually changed it into a journal. So there's quite a few options you can do with those little kits. So first off, I have a pocket right here. This is made from a paper bag. So the flat part of the paper bag, all my stuff here. This flat part is right here, and I left the pocket where you could put stuff in it. So the cover has corrugated cardboard, and you will see inside that I have used this to make lines. Has lace, some more lace, just layers with some there. You can have your book closed like this. It does have magnets. I have 5 magnets on it, but you can also do it like this, which I like this look. It looks cleaner and it just fits together so nicely. So then you've got this edge, the back. You can see some of that paper bag from Hardee's. I had a biscuit. So then you open it and you have this little flap that has this beautiful girl on it. There's magnets in here that coordinate with magnets on the front. I put a pocket there with a journaling card. These are some of Emma's words and sayings for fairies. She has that digital on her website. A rustle in the wind reminds us a fairy is near. So it just slides in there. I made a pocket out of one of the digitals in the print, and instead of layering these pockets, I took and stenciled on them. This tag says, "Nor elves, nor fays, nor magic charms have power or will to work us harm. For those who dare the truth to tell, fays, elves, and fairies wish them well." That just slides right on in there. The front page is just layers of paper and a beautiful daffodil fairy on the front. She's going on an adventure. Then over here you have a journaling card with Daydream, and you can see here more of the stenciling that I did. The writing lines are just from that corrugated cardboard. You have a couple of little tickets and another journaling card. There are 3 signatures and 36 pages front and back in this journal. This is just an extra writing spot. It just slides down in there. A lot of the pockets have stitching on them. I think most of them do. Here's another cute little tag or journaling card. One of the pockets that I just stenciled on, I used abandoned coral and carved pumpkin. So I kind of put the carved pumpkin down first, and then you can see a little bit where the red that I came back in with to give it more dimension. These are 2 images that were in the digital, and I just used my flower punch to punch them out, and I punched 2 more out and put fairy magic. This is a tag that I made from scrapbook paper. The wishes was in Emma's kit. Here's another little pocket. You can see right here where I did some more of the stenciling on the back. So Zern also collaborates with Emma, and she gave us a free digital of daffodils and this cute puppy in the Facebook group. And this journaling card came from the kit. This is used from Masterboard leftovers. Another little tag. So this one goes with the puppy. It was one of Zern's that she gave the group. Here's a nice little journaling card. Fairies glitter our hearts with giggles. And then hand in hand with fairy grace, will we sing and bless this place. And I just put lace on it. Some more layered things. Now this tag has a belly band on it. This was a really cute little, we call them medallions or plates, that I thought just looked good when I folded it on the edges and made it a belly band, and I put a couple of the sayings in here. It just slides in. This is glued on, and it does have a pocket over here. You have this beautiful pocket. So this one right here came from Zern's. I think there were 4 that came on her free digital that she gave us. This was out of Emma's kit. All these go together. Some more of the stenciling. I have fun with the stenciling. And I believe this is the last one from Zern's page that she gave us. I may be wrong, but they absolutely matched everything beautifully. Masterboard journaling card. Cute little baby. And then here's, again, I'm using the stenciling for the background. Another Masterboard journaling card with a pocket. And over here, this is just like a little tuck spot. You have 2 tags on the back here, 2 pockets. Just slides right on in. And then, of course, you got the side that closes. So this is a 4.5 by 6.5 inch little journal, paperback journal. It has 36 pages, 3 signatures. I hope that you enjoyed this walkthrough, this beautiful journal, and thank you, Emma, for making the kit. I really enjoyed working with it. Thank you guys, and have a great day.